Hi everyone, so today I made my vegetable pizza. Welcome to my channel, and if you're new, please consider subscribing. This is the easiest yummy vegetable pizza recipe I've ever made before. So for the recipe, I had 1 cup of milk, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of dry yeast, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I mixed it very well and then added 1/4 cup of sugar and a pinch of salt. I continue mixing it and then added 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and then added some pizza flour until the pizza dough was well mixed and combined. I then later transferred the pizza dough in a cutting board and then continue mixing it very well to make the pizza crust. So I baked this pizza crust separately before I put all the toppings. I now preheated the oven at 400 degrees Celsius and then bake the pizza crust for 10 minutes. While the pizza crust was baking, I cut all my bell peppers and onion and some zucchini. I fried this on a frying pan together with the mushrooms. These are all for the pizza toppings. Now I preheat the pan and added some olive oil and put some onion. I then added some mushrooms. I let the mushroom cook very well and then I added some bell peppers and some zucchini. I cooked the zucchini and some bell peppers very slightly because I didn't want it to be overcooked. I added a little bit of salt and then the pizza dough, the pizza crust was ready, and then I put some tomato paste on top and then add some vegan cheese and then top with all the mushrooms and bell peppers. Now I baked this also for 20 minutes and here we go, the pizza was ready. This was so nice and yummy, guys. You wanna try this recipe, you won't regret. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing. If you have any comment or question, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much.